Last summer, we had to stay 2 nights at Bridgeport Marina on Lake Couchiching, right next to beautiful Lake Simcoe due to an engine problem. So, I took the opportunity to tour the marina despite the rain, and I was stunned by the number of black canvases. Let's have a look and find out why. August 18th, and guess where we are at? Oh, Bridgeport Marina. So what's up? Well, the starboard motor doesn't want to start. It turns but doesn't want to fire up and run. So that happened this morning while we were at the Swift Rapid about to take off. So we came all the way here on one engine. So that went rather well, it was okay. So now the guys are looking at it. So the mechanics looked in their inventory and they couldn't find the ignition module. So this is going to be our spot here for the next 2 nights until they receive it on Wednesday morning. Today is Monday. So yeah, well, all good. So now I'm gonna fill up the gas tanks and put some water in there, and my wife is doing the laundry. So I was gonna chill. And we're here for 2 nights until that part arrives. Oh good, it could have been much worse than that. Forces us to relax and enjoy, right? We stayed here overnight last night and we're staying here again tonight. Hopefully tomorrow morning the part that's going to be coming in is going to work. So while we're here at the marina, let's investigate. So the color of both tops. This one is black. Down there is a dark green. And look at this, how interesting. Black, 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 no top. Black, black, black. Oh, one just like mine, kind of a taupe, darker brown. Well, actually, this one is blue. Oh, another darker blue right here. Dark, dark, light brown, a blue, and black, black, black. And the story continues as we tour around. Black, black, blue, black, blue, black. To shift toward black canvas on pleasure crafts, as we can see here in this video at this marina in Orillia, isn't just a fashion statement. I mean, it has overtaken the traditional blues and greens and reds. In the world of marine fabrics, we all know Sunbrella. Darker dyes actually protect the fabric fibers better. A black canvas is also more color fast and provides that sharp contrast against modern white hulls, right? And also it's excellent at hiding dirt, except perhaps for those bird dropping. All in all, they last longer. At my marina, they don't have cover slips like this here, so I don't know if I would like to have one if one was available. On the one hand, I'm retired, I'm outside often boating 6-7 days a week, so I like the elements, the sun, the rain, the wind, and but on the other hand, when I look at those boats, they're all dried up, they're protected against the sun, the dust to a certain extent, not bird poop though, from what I understand. So given the choice, what would I take? It's hard to say because I've never experienced a covered slip. But if I had to guess, I would say out there in nature, in the wild, just roughing it a bit, just the way I like it. Everybody has their own little storage box, table, barbecue even. So yeah, it's a nice atmosphere. Interesting enough, so the Trent is right down there, and the boats have to go through this channel here. Look at this. Underneath here. It's not very wide. And then they're parked in this little bay here. I love it. Ooh, a nice little bench. And Gracias is right down there. A consideration that I had before buying a boat was, should I get a bigger one that I can barely afford but it looks nicer and I'll stay at the dock more often? Or do I get one that I can afford, like the 340 Sundancer, and I just go travel everywhere all the time? So, yeah. And this is the kind of the tunnel that the boat have to go through in order to the dock down there. Navigation-wise, it was quite a nice coincidence that we were docked while waiting for a port, and it was raining as opposed to be on our way. And that was the little tour of the marina here. Now time to get back aboard where it's nice and dry and warm. Notice that I can't access the cockpit door through the swim platform because of the dinghy. And untying the dinghy to push it back and forth when I need to go on the swim platform isn't practical. It's easier to climb over the higher side of the boat. Oh, I'm not complaining. I got so much going with that beautiful Sea Ray Sundancer. There she is. I did a little tour of the marina. In the rain, yeah, with the umbrella. It was pretty nice actually. 2 days later, and the mechanics were working their magic. Unfortunately, we had 2 days to catch up and we had to go and didn't have time to meet with some people like we wanted to. Well, the ignition module's been changed successfully. The engine started. We're so happy about that. So now we're on our way. And maybe, not even a kilometer from here, we're gonna hit Lake Simcoe and cross it. At the same time, I had the other distribution cap change, and sure enough, there was a lot of green corrosion in there. Seem to be alone on the water. August 20th today? It's Wednesday. Was really happy to have 2 engines on the boat, let me tell you. Yeah, so we were at the slip for a day and a half or so, and it wasn't so bad. We had electricity, we watched a couple of movies, so we made the best out of it. Ice cream. It was pouring rain like all day, yeah, and pretty much all night. Yeah. So it was kind of nice too. I mean, it forces us to sit, chill, relax. So. And we are back to that. Lake Simcoe looks okay. So like wind gusts of up to 24 kilometers an hour. Let's go. Who's the nice boat? Who's the nice boat? Yeah, it's right over here. Oh, I love the sight of it. I just want to relax, chill whenever I see that. I mean, how inviting is it?